Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Crypto Now. In this channel, we talk about everything cryptocurrency and things that are happening in the cryptocurrency world. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about one win token. Okay, so before that, if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to this video, and drop a comment in the comment section when you're done watching the video. All right, so let's get right into the video. So first, we're going to be talking about this one win. What is one win? One win is actually a betting company. Okay, it's a very big betting company that are in so many countries. They are in Africa, they are in Europe, they are in so many countries. All right. So what they want to do is they want to create their native token. Okay, they want to create their native token, and this their native token, just the way Binance, Ton, Ethereum, all these companies, they have their native token, and before you interact with their platform, you need to have their native token. So this is what OneWin wants to do. OneWin wants to create their native token, and if you want to participate or do anything in their platform, this particular OneWin token will be one of the things that you will need to participate. And you know that betting and staking and all that is a very big industry. All right, and OneWin is a very big player in that particular industry. So this is one project that you don't want to fade. All right, so one thing I like about this project is this is not just two, three people coming together wanting to create a particular token. No, this is a company that has existed for years. So let's go to their about first. All right. Why I'm taking my time to explain all this to us is so that we know what we are getting into. So we know that this is a project that you don't need to joke with. Okay. So here they are telling us about one win. So one win, they said OneWin is the leader in the world of iGaming. So not just betting, they are a gaming platform too. They said 8 years of experience. Okay, this company was founded in 2016. In just 8 years, have become one of the leaders in the iGaming industry. They've employed over they are currently having over 5,000 employees. Like, that's a huge number. So this is not a company that just started yesterday. For you to have over 5,000 employees, that means you must have so many branches all over the world. Okay, they said our project, OneWin, is a developed infrastructure comprising dozens of projects. So if you swipe to the left, or rather to the right, you will be seeing their projects, or their projects, and it's not even limited to just this few that you're seeing. They have so many projects. Okay, so you can just go ahead and read about all these things, and this is their tokenomics. They are not here to play. They are showing you everything, like, right from the onset. Okay, what they will be having is a total supply of 100 billion. Okay, which is good. Is very good. If at the end of the day, let's not get to that side. So let's just go back and let me show us how we can carry out or maximize this particular project. So I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below. So click on the link to get 5,000 reward. Okay, sorry, 50,000 reward. So this is the 50,000 that you're going to get. So it's actually a tap game. You can tap to earn. As you're tapping, you're earning. Okay, and this is not this is actually the main token. Okay, that's the IW, sorry, 1W. Okay, that stands for one win. So if you're tapping, you're getting things. Then you can come over to tax. come over to task, okay, click on tasks, then perform all these tasks. So let's do the first one. Click on subscribe. They said you should go and subscribe to their channel, okay. Just click on join. Once you click on join, go back to one win token and click on verify. That's all. They say the task is completed. If you go back, you will see they've added it to your balance, okay. So that's how you need to just perform all the tasks and accumulate more, okay. So the next thing that you need to do is so the next thing you need to do to earn is to go over to the earn section, okay. Click on earn. This earn is actually profit per hour, how to get more profit. But what they call it is income. They call it income in this one. So if you check here, you will see that you're getting zero income per hour, okay. So to improve that, you come over to the end section. All right, these ones that are in blue are the ones that you can do currently, okay. They are the ones that you can do currently. To unlock more, you need to complete. Okay, let's check this particular one, this barber shop. As you can see, it's not in blue, so it's still locked. So what you need to do is, they said get food shop to level 8. Okay, so where is the food shop? This is food shop, and food shop is currently in level 0. So you need to get food shop to level 8 to unlock barber shop. That's how it works, and that's how you do every other ones. This first one, event agency, they said you need to have 7 friends to unlock it. Then influencer, they said you need to have 1 friend to unlock it, okay. So that's basically how you need to do the mining to improve your income per hour, okay. So when you improve your income per hour, you don't need to come to be sleeping on this particular app. All you need to do is just come back every 3 hours and claim what you've gotten. All right, so again, click on daily. This daily is actually a daily bonus. Just click on claim and you will receive your reward. All right, then you can go over to booster, but I will advise the booster is not really, it's necessary, okay, it's necessary, but there are some that you will need stars to improve, okay. Full energy, this full energy actually means that those you can, okay, let me go back to main. If you're tapping, you will see that this place is reducing, okay, is reducing. So once it reduces to probably 0, you can go over to the end session, click on boost and click on this apply, okay, to get free daily power up. That's to come to get extra life or extra power, okay. So you have up to 5 trials, okay. So that's all for this end session. You can go over to friends and click on this icon to copy your referral link and send to your friends. Then another way to earn is to go over to one win games. This one is actually nice. It's just for you to play some. Okay, let's play one game, okay. Which one are we going to play? Let's click on coin flip, okay. Let's click on coin flip. Let me show us how to play the games, okay. So click on next, okay, then click on play. So this is actually a head and tail game, okay. It's a head and tail game. So if you want to bet with 1,000 one win token, you leave it at 1,000. If you want to improve the amount that you want to bet with, you click on this plus icon, okay, to improve it. And mind you, you don't have This is actually like a trial and error stuff. Okay, this is your balance. This is your balance, 66,101. Okay, so let's leave it at 1,000. Let's take 1,000. We have 1,000 already, so you can either choose head, or tail. Okay, so let's choose tail and let's see the outcome. It's flipping. Okay, I think I lost that particular one, so let's try again. Let's choose head this time. Okay, so you see, they said I won. I actually won this one, and they added it to. Okay, they've not added it to my balance. I need to click on this icon to click on it. Once you click on it, you will see that it will add to this balance. So I click on it, then automatically it will add to my balance. So this is actually another way to earn faster. Okay, so you can go back and play other games. All right, I love this project. They are not here to play at all. Okay, so just click on the link below in the description and get started immediately. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up to this. Give a thumbs up to this video. Subscribe to this channel and drop a comment in the comment section if you have any question, and I'll be there to respond to that question. All right. So bye for now. See you in our next video.